Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on X. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist of my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of DXY. Knowing the important levels of body language of DXY is extremely important if you love to trade on any USD pair. Not only Euro USD, any USD pair. So let's try to understand the important levels on DXY. Before I begin analyzing the charts, okay, I would like to mention one thing, that this video may be a little bit complicated for you because the chart of Euro USD is not very simple one. Okay, so if you find any problem, then you can rewatch the video again, okay, replay the video again, or you can ask me any question. Okay, you can also email me. I'll drop down the email address in the comment section. No, not comment section, description box. Okay. So let's get started. So first of all, DXY right now trading at 100.57. This is the current market price of DXY here. If we look at the overall trend of DXY, there is no doubt that DXY is an uptrend. And as we all know that since the war between Russia and Ukraine broke out, DXY started flying. So overall, DXY is an uptrend. But yesterday, while going up, DXY could not cross the previous high in the market. This was the high, okay, and this time you can see that DXY form a lower high in the market. Okay, lower high. Generally, lower highs in an uptrend market signifies that the buying is reducing and the entry of the sellers into the market. Okay, undoubtedly the market is an uptrend. As we all know, trend is our friend, trend is our best friend, but every market also witnesses trend reversal as well. So in this market, okay, we had a high on DXY and right now we have a lower high. Okay, so if DXY starts going up from here, then we can consider that okay, DXY is an uptrend, nothing to worry about the trend of DXY. Things will be same as it was. But if DXY starts falling from here, okay, listen to me carefully. If DXY starts falling from here, then 99.80 will be very important or critical for any USD pair, because if DXY takes support at 99.80 and bounces again, it's good enough. Okay, because trend is intact. After taking support, if it bounces, well and good. Okay, 99.80 will be a decisive level for DXY. But in case we find or we see DXY breaking the level of 99.80 and going down, that will be a problem for us, because if DXY breaks the level of 99.80 and forms a new low, it means that DXY has formed a lower low in the market. Higher low, lower high, okay, already it has formed lower high and again a lower low in the market. So the lower high and lower low in the market will signify that new sellers have joined the market and there will be a possibility of a trend reversal as well. So 99.80 will be very important for DXY. If it bounces, well and good. If it breaks it, it will be a lower low and it can be a trend reversal as well. As of now, let's wait and watch in which direction DXY moves. Overall, still we will consider that DXY is an uptrend only. Okay. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. Euro USD, this is the 4 hours chart. If you look at the 4 hours chart, we will not get a clear picture. That's why I will take you to the 1 hour chart of Euro USD. 1 घंटे का chart में चले देखते हैं Euro USD. Right now trading at 1.0844. This is the current market price of Euro USD. So the two important levels on Euro USD is 1.0940, 1.0950. This is the resistance zone of Euro USD. If Euro USD goes up, then we can expect that market will face selling pressure. And if we see price rejection from above, if we see shooting star kind of a pattern or any good price rejection from above, we will get the confirmation that sellers are present in this level and we can definitely take a sell position at this particular level of Euro USD. Why this is the resistance level? Okay, because I have already explained in my previous videos. I do not want to explain and bore you again and again. Already I have taken so much time on the XY. Just keep in mind that if Euro USD goes up and reverses from this level, we can take a sell position, but confirmation first. And on the other hand, the strongest support on the chart of Euro USD is 1.0765, 1.0760. This is the strongest support on Euro USD. If Euro USD comes down to this level, we can expect the market to bounce. If market comes down to this level and bounces, we can take a buy position. So this is the important resistance and this is the important support of Euro USD. But right now, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then we can see that Euro USD is almost forming a head and shoulder pattern here. To be honest, I do not focus on patterns much, especially head and shoulder, because I have failed every time. Okay, and nothing to hide. I have failed every time to make money from the head and shoulder pattern. So as a result, I decided a couple of years ago, okay, many years ago, that I will not be trading on the head and shoulder pattern. But still, I can see that market has more or less formed a head and shoulder pattern. If head and shoulder pattern works for you, you can consider it as a head and shoulder, and you can trade accordingly. Okay. If we consider this as a head and shoulder pattern, then yes, obviously there is a possibility that market will break this current support or the trend line which is also a dynamic support. The market will break everything and market will go down. In that case, yes, there is a possibility that market will be going down. So if DXY starts going up, okay, if DXY starts going up from the current market position, then obviously we will see Euro USD going down as well. So if Euro USD breaks the support, then the next support on Euro USD is 1.0800. This is the next support for Euro USD. But keep in mind that if DXY is extremely bullish or gets extremely bullish, then this level will not be able to hold the market, because previously this was a strong support, but right now this level is not the strongest support on the chart of Euro USD as of now. It has lost the potential, it has lost the fate of the market. So we can just consider that under normal circumstances, yes, under normal circumstances, this level will act as the minor support. Okay, chota support, minor support only. Okay, this is the actual support on Euro USD. So this is the overall chart of Euro USD. If possible, try to trade on the important or critical levels only. Matlab, take a sell position here if possible, take a sell position there, or take a buy position here if you see reversal. That will be the best strategy if you're beginner, new trader. Okay, no need to bang your head here and there. Try to trade on the levels that are good enough. Keep in mind, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Okay, a trader, there's a big difference between a trader and a gambler. Okay, and whatever you do, follow proper risk management, strict risk management, because it's your hard-earned money. Protect your hard-earned money and capital. Bye bye, take care.